to me and be my listening coach, Coach Sheldon.
Oh, I like the way that sounds. Is it okay if I get some of my family to help?
I don't mind.
Good. Then let's get listening. Coach Mom taught me that a good listener hears what people are saying and shows them they understand.
Coach Sheldon, what am I supposed to do to make sure that I'm listening and understanding?
You say something like, "So what you're saying is," and then repeat back what you heard to make sure it's correct.
Got it.
Our next lesson is body listening, where you listen with more than your ears.
But my ears are the only parts of me that can actually hear anything.
True, but there are other things you can do with your body to let someone know you are listening. Let's try it out. Now here to share a story is my cousin Brittany Beaver.
You are so going to want to listen to this story. 6 months ago, I was going to do a stellar performance with my awesomely amazing school orchestra.
Carl, are you paying attention?
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, west central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm
We could turn more towards her and lean in.
Right. Okay,